With SLOs, a compliance rate isn't just a number, it's a massive list of potential suspects. When your service level drops, the clock starts, but the traditional way of hunting for the root cause is inefficient. You're usually digging through every endpoint and cluster, or worse, you're losing error budget to planned deployments that shouldn't even be counted as failures. We're changing how you protect your error budget. Maintenance windows allow you to exclude planned downtime from your service level calculations. Whether it's a one-off system test or a recurring daily deployment window, you can schedule these to ensure your compliance data reflects the actual system health, not your release calendar. Once active, the platform automatically stops counting events during the window, but a clean budget is only half the battle. You still have to fix the service. In a complex environment, a failing front-end service could be anything. Instead of building dozens of individual service levels for every environment or cluster, you can now add facets to a single SLI. This breaks the data down by the attributes that matter to you. Here, the data reveals the truth. While the overall service is failing, the issue is concentrated into very specific endpoints. You aren't searching for the problem anymore, you're looking right at it. This is about moving from broad alerts to specific, actionable insights in seconds. Service levels are meant to provide clarity, not more work. By silencing planned noise with maintenance windows and exposing hidden failures with faceting, you spend less time investigating and more time shipping.